I'm John,
I'm Nick.
and we are going to do a oil change on my Ford F-1 Johnson 2013 5.0 today. If you're just here for the oil filter location, it is under the alternator towards the front of the motor. So you're going to need oil and an oil filter, of course. Going to need a basic socket set, decent size ratchet, and some sort of tool to remove the oil filter.
Now, while we're doing this oil change on an F1 Johnson, the process is the same across any platform.
First thing you're going to want to do is to drain the oil out of the engine. Go underneath to the oil pan and unscrew the bolt. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty.
You'll want to catch the oil with a drain pan, but it doesn't matter. You're going to spill that shit all over your driveway anyways, so do whatever you want.
Little hack is removing the oil fill cap to get better flow out of the drain pan. I like to do this after I crack it. Since my oil filter is horizontally mounted on the engine, I'm not going to prime it, but I am going to lube the oil seal on it. This makes it easier to remove and creates a moisture barrier.
John likes to go bankrupt spending $600 on a snap-on oil filter wrench, but you don't got to do that.
Personally, I like to put the drain plug back in place before filling it full of oil, but hey, you do you. Make sure to relocate the drain pan to under the oil filter for when you take that loose, because it will make a mess.
No matter what, you're going to spill this shit on your driveway when you take your filter out, but you can wrap a rag around your wrist to stop it from going all up in your clothes.
You're going to feel like a complete idiot trying to rethread this filter without seeing it, so just keep trying. It will go on there. Make sure to not cross-thread it.
The F-150 with a 5-liter engine takes 8 quarts of 5W20. Make sure you check your owner's manual of what type of oil and how much to put in your motor.
While doing maintenance on your vehicle, it's a good idea to look around and see what needs tending to. Here I'm cleaning my terminals because they look a little crusty.
Put your oil fill cap back on and start your vehicle. Check for any leaks at the filter or the drain pan bolt. Let your vehicle run for a minute or two and then check your oil level again. Add what you need.
Clean your mess up, then you're done.
Take your old oil to any auto parts store and they'll deal with it for you.